Creativity on YouTube will be destroyed all thanks to AI. If not, it's already been destroyed. In fact, I think all the creativity that we have left in this world will be completely ruined thanks to AI within at least 10 years. And people are coping very, very hard by saying, oh, just regulate it and then creativity will survive. Yeah, right. Like you're going to stop these thousands and thousands of AI companies that are making millions every single month from all different sides of the world. Do you really think that you're going to stop those people from making their millions and millions of dollars? Let me be clear. There is no stop to AI. It will continue and continue. We can literally do nothing but watch in horror. If we ban AI in America, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom, it doesn't matter. It will still continue. People will just make the AI companies in different countries so they can make millions upon millions of dollars from using AI generation. In fact, there's this new terrifying AI software that I've been using recently that just came out, and I'll have it linked below and I'll show you guys a little bit more of it within this video. But basically what you do is you go over new project, you press on faceless short, and you simply type in, a video about fun facts about Diddy. Then you can pick a voice. In this case, I'll pick Adam, and then you can choose AI generated image or gameplay video. Like this, I'm gonna choose Subway Surfers right here, choose background music right here, and then hit on generate. That only took me a couple of seconds, and look what it generated me.
He started his career as an intern at Uptown Records, where he quickly climbed the ranks to become a talent director.
So at this point, what's the reason to making YouTube videos? Every single time you'll be beat by one person having one subscription to some AI video generator that can just shoot out videos every couple seconds. So at this point, my only advice I can really give you is to just quit. Yes, I'm serious. Just quit YouTube. You should not be sitting here on YouTube trying to compete against literal robots. In fact, you should be using AI for yourself. Creativity is going to die on YouTube regardless. No matter if you post videos or if you don't post videos, people will be using these AI softwares. And the thing is, AI very, very much works on YouTube. So who cares? Use it yourself because creativity is going to die on YouTube regardless. Look at a channel like AI Guy. He posts these faceless videos that he makes with AI, and from this channel, from his built-in community that he sells through his videos, he makes $30,000 every single month from just his community. That's not ad revenue. That's not affiliate links. From just his community, from using AI, he makes $30,000 every single month. He doesn't have to show his face in any of his content because he has AI to do it all for him, to make all of this content for him. Now, I know a lot of you guys might be whining, saying,
oh, AI Guy's content isn't creative enough.
Well, I'm sure the AI guy isn't losing any sleep for how creative his content is while he's drowning in money every single day from all the money that his channel brings him because he uses AI for it and doesn't put in any hard work like some sucker. In fact, I want to direct you guys to a comment that we received on one of our videos about police body cam channels. It was a very popular video on this channel where we showed literal proof of people making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month by posting police body cam videos. In the video, I literally show people how to use AI to make these videos super easily, and I'll have the video up on the screen at the very end of this video. But we received this comment right here that I want to bring attention to. Quite frankly, it's a very stupid comment, but I'm gonna read it regardless. This person right here said, "This is YouTube for lazy people, taking video content that isn't even yours and monetizing it." Now, this is a very stupid comment right here. And although the 2Magic account is actually a brand account and it's not actually mine, several people have access to this YouTube account. I had to personally reply to this person. So I said, that's why the people who run these channels make $100,000 a month and you don't. I'm just spitting facts here. I'm telling this person there's a reason these people are making thousands and thousands of dollars every single day from this content and this person isn't. They don't care if they're lazy. They found a way to make lots of money being lazy. Like, genuinely, what does this commenter expect? Do they actually expect the people running these channels are gonna be like, oh my God, I'm a lazy person. I go to Ibiza every single month with all this money, these thousands of dollars I make every single day, but someone called me lazy. Here, I'm just gonna throw away all these hundreds of thousands of dollars I make every single month because someone called me lazy. I don't wanna make money. I don't wanna make thousands of dollars if it means being lazy. That is a sheep mindset. Don't let commenters like this guy ruin your chances with AI. I'm gonna put a big fat X on his profile picture because this is a very stupid comment, but don't let him take this away from you. AI is your right to use. Don't let people try to trick you into saying, oh, you're lazy if you use AI. They're tricking you. They just want to use it for themselves. That's why they're trying to gaslight you into thinking that AI is some bad thing to use. Who cares? Creativity is going to die anyways. Might as well use it and make yourself benefit from AI right now. As you guys know, Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, said a very, very important quote a couple of years ago that I and so many other successful people live by. And this quote is, I will always choose a lazy person to do a difficult job because he will find an easy way to do it. The lazy people who are using AI for YouTube are getting a difficult job and finding an easy solution to it. The people who sit there and do all the hard work will get beat every single time by some random person with a single AI subscription. Think about that. You can work as hard as you want, but someone with a $50 AI subscription will beat you every single time. Every time, no matter how hard you try. The software I showed you guys earlier is called VidAI. There will be a link to it in the description below, but it's at the cheapest price it will ever be, and they're releasing new features every single day for this AI video generator. This is how easy it is to make a video with VidAI. Right here, I can simply type in the mysterious nature of lilies of the valley, a type of flower. Then I can choose a voice. Right now, I'm gonna choose on Matt right here, choose a AI generated image, and then scrolling down, I can choose music as well. I'm gonna choose Blade Runner and hit on generate. That took me just a few seconds, and here's the result.
These lovely flowers are also highly toxic if ingested, adding to their allure and mystery.
Now, doing something like that can take me 10 seconds every single video. Now, do the math. If I wanted to post twice every single day for an entire month, then it'll only take me about 10 minutes to make 60 YouTube shorts for an entire month. 10 minutes for an entire month of YouTube shorts. Think about that. Now, I challenge anyone watching this video to try and make a high quality short from scratch within 10 minutes. You can't. You literally can't compete with these AI softwares, let alone make 60 shorts in 10 minutes. It is humanly impossible for you to sit down and make 60 YouTube shorts in 10 minutes, but now you can do it with AI. Anyone who goes into the link in my description, presses on it, now has access to a tool that will work more than 60 times harder than anyone on this planet when it comes to making YouTube shorts. That's how easy it is. It literally pays you to be lazy on YouTube. Now, a lot of you guys might be saying, these types of shorts are easy to make, but they'll never actually get views on YouTube. Well, that's a complete lie. Shorts like these get millions and millions of views every single day on YouTube. And let's take a look at YouTube's past. Let's see how creative YouTube is. Because honestly, YouTube has always been very, very uncreative and people have made millions of views from it. Like for example, all these creators just copy the same MrBeast format and literally get millions and millions of views every single time following the same format. Is there any creativity in that? They're just literally doing the same exact thing and get millions of views. Remember 3AM videos? Those videos were incredibly horrible quality and yet they were getting millions and millions of views on YouTube. And this was before AI. This was before we could make higher quality videos in less time with AI. So don't try to tell me that creativity has always been some huge thing on YouTube. Very, very poorly made content has always made millions of views on YouTube, but now you have AI to make even higher quality in less time. Now, VidAI doesn't only do shorts. In fact, they're releasing a long form content generator very, very soon. In fact, by the time you're watching this video, it's probably already been released. But if you guys want access to one of the best AI video generators on the entire internet, you can use the code MAGIC30 for 30% off your first month of this software. You know, screw all this hard work, just buy AI software. That's my recommendation. Screw the hard work, use MAGIC30, get 30% off your first month and start using AI. The hard work on YouTube doesn't matter. Just use AI. Literally, just use AI. The link for VidAI will be below so you can access this very special coupon. And you want to know why it's special? Because if you sell your soul and start making AI content, you make literally thousands of dollars every single month very easily, like me, like AI guy, and not like this commentator who's crying about lazy people and how they make so much money. Oh man, lazy people make so much money. Then why don't you start being lazy too? Start using AI softwares like VidAI. Now some of you guys might be thinking, well, that's great, you generated a video, but what about all the other aspects when it comes to YouTube? Can AI help with those? Well, I don't think you guys realized how good AI has gotten in the last couple of years, because AI can do that several times over as well. Using 2Magic, which is in my opinion the best YouTube AI software on the entire internet, it has a library of AI tools that can be complete separate AI softwares by themselves, like the video ideas tool, putting in the ad of a channel or its link, like for example, Mr. Beast. If I hit on generate, it'll make me unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas based on the channel that are already winning. Like last to leave the underwater hotel wins $1 million. This is a great video because there's literally an underwater hotel like an hour drive away from me. Boom, I have a viral video right here, and I can just keep on hitting generate again and again and come up with a month worth of videos just like that. I bought a real island to create the ultimate survival game, and I can do this with any channel. In fact, let me just put in 2Magic, our channel right here. Let's get some video ideas based on 2Magic official right here. So I'm gonna hit on generate, and now it's going to make me video ideas based on 2Magic. The AI script that writes your life, how to create viral personal narratives. That's a video idea. I might record that next. Let's hear another thing. Unveiling the secret AI hack to boost your YouTube watch time overnight. Now that's a good video. I'm gonna copy that and save that video idea right here. But like I showed you guys, you're literally able to make video ideas just like this with AI, make an entire month worth of videos in a couple of minutes. This would normally take you a couple of days to come up with video ideas. But let me show you some more AI tools, like the keyword research tool right here. Now the keyword research tool looks directly into YouTube's API. Say I were to type in the keyword affiliate marketing right here, like I was making a video about affiliate marketing. Then right here, it shows me the search volume per month, competition score, and overall magic score directly from YouTube's API. Now, if I just toggle this magic score up, I can see affiliate marketing, how to start with 1.1K searches a month with low competition. TikTok affiliate marketing, 56,000 searches a month with low competition. If I were to sit here making a video about TikTok affiliate marketing, I would be tapping into low competition with 56,000 searches a month that can be directed to my video. By using a tool like this, you're able to discover what's actually trending on YouTube. Not what people are telling you, but what's actually trending on YouTube, what people are actually searching. 2Magic also has a community post writer, a niche explorer, a video scripts tool, which if you use VidAI, it does it automatically for you. But if you want to do your own scripts like that, perfect. But another tool I want to show you guys is the Warp Upload tool. Now prepare yourself. I think I'm about to show you guys one of the most important AI tools on the internet. In my opinion, the most important AI tool. Right here, if you just type in the context of your video. So I'm going to say a video about TikTok affiliate marketing right here. If I were to type that in and hit on generate, I can also put in the URL if it can detect what's being said within my video, if it's public or unlisted. But right here, if I were to just put in the context and hit on generate, now 2Magic scans videos with millions and millions of views on YouTube with viral optimization. And within seconds, it gives me viral titles right here, how to make money on TikTok with affiliates. TikTok affiliate marketing secret revealed. These are amazing titles with amazing keywords in the titles, as well as amazing description with great keywords, and finally, amazing tags that will have amazing search results. So when people search things on YouTube, the amazing metadata you have will make your videos pop up because you're using 2Magic's Warp Upload Optimizer that scans videos with literally millions and millions of views. There's no better AI tool than this. It can make any video have amazing metadata literally within seconds. For all of you who don't know, back in the day on YouTube, you had to study how to do your descriptions and tags, and you'd have to sit there for like hours and hours learning, and then you'd have to spend probably 30 minutes every single video putting on the perfect metadata. So right now, with this tool, you'd have to be an actual brainless idiot to not use a tool like this and to just throw it away and call it lazy. This gives you perfect metadata for your videos using AI. Maybe it's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than anything you can make up. To use all this library of AI tools for an entire week, it's only $1 with the link in the description below. Yes, that's right, you can try out 2Magic, the best AI software for YouTube, for an entire week for only $1. If you're really considering putting so much hard work on YouTube instead of an entire week for only $1, what is genuinely your thinking process? What is your thinking process right now? Because I am truly trying to wrap my brain around why someone would do that. Why someone would put himself in such a hard position instead of just paying $1 for an entire week of the best YouTube AI software. If 2Magic and VidAI have all the tools that you need to get started on YouTube to make high quality videos, then my question is, why the hard work? Because creativity is going to die on YouTube. It will regardless. People will still use AI softwares like this regardless of whether you guys want to do it yourselves. So why not just use softwares like this? Why not be like AI Guy and make $30,000 a month from making AI YouTube videos? You only need 2 AI softwares in order to automate your video making process. Think about that. 2 AI softwares. That's all you need, and then you can just start automating videos and make tons of money on YouTube. That's literally all you need. Who cares about creativity? You have amazing AI softwares that do it all for you. Now, for a lot of people who are actually watching this video, you can attend my completely free live training that I'll be hosting, showing you guys how to use a bunch of these AI softwares in order to go viral on YouTube and potentially 10x the growth of your channel. This is a limited time free live training that I'll be hosting. The link will be in the description. And for a free training like that with these AI softwares that help you literally do everything super easily, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you do any of this? This whole entire point of this video is creativity is gonna die, so might as well use YouTube AI softwares regardless. What is literally the point of trying hard work? You're always gonna get beat by someone using an AI software like this one. Now, I mentioned this video earlier, but if you wanna check out a video where I show you actual proof of people making over $100, $200, $300,000 every single month by making police body cam videos, then check out this video right here. You guys will be genuinely surprised how much money these people make by making these police body cam videos, and you will discover how to do it for yourself. In fact, I honestly think it's pretty easy.